Guys, gals, DIYers, I'm Victoria Lynn. Welcome to my channel. As you know, this is a DIY channel that I'm doing because I like to DIY. I like to thrift, I like to save money, I like to repurpose and upcycle. But I'm always not the best at doing it. But that doesn't mean I don't want to try it. So here I am again today. I'm trying something. And my husband and I recently moved into a rental. It came with a dishwasher that I'm standing in front of. It's old, it works, but it needs to be cleaned. And so it's been about 6 weeks since we moved in here, and I was like, you know what? Today I'm going to clean it. So stay tuned for me trying to clean this dishwasher so that I can use it. Thanks for continuing to watch. Okay, so we're sitting at this old dishwasher. It's a high point. It has on, off, and drying. There are no other settings. There's no shorter, longer, pot scrubbing, nothing. Just on, off, heated drying, on and off. Bam, that's it. That's it. Okay, so this is a dishwasher. Now I've seen a couple of different things on YouTube where you run one cycle with a cup of baking soda, then you run it again with a cup of white vinegar, and then that should pretty much clean it. So that's what I'm going to do today. We're going to take 1 cup of baking soda and we're going to run it. We're going to let it run a full cycle with heated drying. I'm using this container. About a cup. Maybe a little more. This one's pretty dirty. So I'm going to sit this here where it shouldn't fall over. And we're going to run it. And then we're going to come back for the second step and run a cup of vinegar. And again, just on, and heated drying is on. It's quiet, extremely quiet. Okay, so the baking soda has finished scrubbing the dishwasher, and let's see what we got. Doesn't look much different. Wait, wasn't the baking soda supposed to come out of this? So it should only be just water left in here. I was supposed to just sprinkle the baking soda in the dishwasher. The second step was to add the vinegar in the cup. I remember now. Okay, so for our second wash, we are going to, wow, I wonder if I should still use this or sprinkle some fresh stuff. And we're going to use it. What can it hurt? I was supposed to sprinkle a cupful of dishwasher baking soda in here. That's what that was. And let it run. And then do a cup in the top washer of the white vinegar. Yeah. Back to the drawing board. Okay, so I think I got it right this time. I actually, well, you saw. I sprinkled the baking soda in the dishwasher. Okay. Tell me. Yeah, it looks a little cleaner. So, I've already run it 2 times today. So, this next time, we are going to put, oh shoot. White, distilled white vinegar and see what happens. I don't know. I think I probably still need to run some bleach in here. Okay, they say a cup of white vinegar. This is probably actually more like 2 cups. I'm gonna fit this in here where it's snug, it won't flip over. And we're running the dishwasher for a 3rd time. Yeah. Okay. My super quiet dishwasher. Let's see what happens. All right, so maybe the 3rd time's the charm. So we're gonna open it up. I feel the heat. It's gone through its 3rd cycle with the distilled white vinegar. Did the baking soda twice because I did it wrong the 1st time. So we're gonna see what we have now. Let's see if it's clean. It smells vinegary. Smells vinegary. Not sure. Not sure. So, what do you think? Maybe it's just old. But it's not as fresh as a daisy as I thought it would be. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it again. Maybe I'll try it with vinegar. So this was a DIY that I had seen on YouTube for how to freshen your dishwasher, how to make it clean better. So this is an old dishwasher. This is a home that my husband and I are renting, so we're not going to buy a new dishwasher. I mean, it runs and it works fine, but I just wanted to clean it to wash my dishes in it, to be comfortable eating off of dishes cleaned in this dishwasher. So, all of that being said, with me washing it 3 times, it doesn't look cleaner, but I feel like it probably is a lot cleaner than it was when I started out, because I did wash it with baking soda. I did wash it with white vinegar. I think the only thing that I probably will do is maybe tomorrow I will run it again with a cup of bleach just to make sure that I've killed any germs and sanitized it before I use it. But these are my results. So I will take some pictures. You're going to see some side-by-side pictures of before and after. Let me know in the comments what you think. I don't know. Yeah. So, again, thank you so much for staying tuned to my channel as Victoria does DIY. Sometimes not successfully. Well, probably most times not successfully, but I try. So again, thank you. Please subscribe and like my videos and share. Ta-ta for now.